Just find your slot, your place, the thing you love to do. Your talent is what God has given you, and it's the easiest, most enjoyable thing to do. But we have been taught that in order to be a success, we have to do something that's terribly difficult. We have to do something that's out of our hand. Follow somebody else's pattern. Your talent is what God has given you. My dad wanted me to be a business type person, so I had to go to school and learn about bookkeeping and all that kind of stuff, and boy, I hated it. It was a terrible job for me. But when Dad let me go into the shop where I could use my hands, it was fun. It was exciting. And I became to be known in Oklahoma as one of the most outstanding memorial artists in the state. In fact, got recognition from New York from one of the most popular monument industry that does work for all the senators and congressmen up in Washington and all through the northern part. They sent people to me. When people here went up there to ask them, they told them to come down here and see Audle Allison for the artwork. But you see, I finally found something that was easy. It wasn't no tough job. It was easy. That's what you have to find, is what is easy to do. Because that's God's talent for you. Everybody thinks they have to be high positioned. I was happier when I had all my old dirty clothes out there carving a rose or something. Doing work like that, I was the happiest.